Well, hi everyone, here we are at the bench once again. Right, so I have another set of heads to show you from Tory Factory. You may have seen on the site there's basically 3 packs of different kinds of heads which I've sourced from Tory Factory. There are more in the range, but I thought these were quite interesting and gives us all it touches all the bases, if you know what I mean. I'll put links in the description to the others, which are a set of I guess modern heads, and also a couple of I guess genre type heads. But today I want to talk to you about these guys. This is, again, say, in the set from Tory, but I was kind of attracted to these because I do a lot of post-apocalyptic stuff, and most of the time my figures end up in gas masks or similar. So I hadn't seen these before. This full set of different designs was very attractive for me. So if you do this kind of model making, then this guy could be an interesting addition for your figures. As I say, you get 10 in the actual packet itself, of varying types and designs, which is what attracted me. I get 1/35 scale to give us the maximum flexibility with what we're trying to achieve. So let's have a look at these guys for real. Excuse me. Let's get these guys out of the box. So let's have a look. Yeah, the amount of detail which they managed to cram in is very, very interesting indeed. So I'm not looking at this under magnification, of course, but even just to the naked eye, they put lots and lots of detail. Let me just bring that to the camera as close as I can to hopefully keep that in focus. If I just rotate this, you can see how the actual print looks. We turn it around, and the different kinds of designs which they've put into this set. As I say, the application for these is far and wide, really. If you have a particular need, as I do, for these kinds of heads, but I can see lots of applications for these, not just in sort of sci-fi, but if you're looking for a head for a particular application, some kind of figure which you're putting together for a diorama, or some small scene, or even just as an accessory for something, then these guys could be what you are looking for. I say, for me, highly attractive because of the range of different different heads and different designs of gas masks, from modern ones all the way through to more traditional ones, I guess. Some of these I haven't seen before, but it really gives you the full gamut. I've never seen so many gas masks in one place, to be honest, which is very interesting. You often don't see these together in a pack like this, which is what attracted me to it. And I thought, yeah, let's get these on the store. Because obviously there's lots of things on my store like which these could be used with. I'm thinking of alternative miniatures. Absolutely, they could be an interesting addition to some of the figures which we have across the range for alternative. So that's the headset. That's number 3 in the series. Let me just show you that once again. Very interesting range of heads and gas mask designs. So if you do have a sort of need or an application for these guys, then these might suit you well. As always, any questions, any queries, do come back to me, and of course, keep on modelling.